Hey folks, Tiffin here with another episode of Tiffin Tips, where we introduce you to the insider tips at Tiffin Motorhomes and unlock all the potential of your RV. So let's jump in for another exciting and informative episode of Tiffin Tips.
Hey, Matt Fullard again here with Tiffin Tips. One thing we're going to talk about today is our air conditioning filters. On most of your coaches, on your driver's side of the coach all the way down, you'll have all your AC filters for the system. What you're going to want to do is reach up, pull it down. On the inside, you'll see this is our filter. So what we're going to do, put a little bit of pressure on that tab to release it so that we can take the lock ring out. Once the lock ring's out of the way, we'll take our filter out. We'll throw it in the sink, wash it with Dawn dishwashing soap, set it out to dry. Once it's dry, you can put them back in. Another option that a lot of people do will actually count the number of filters they have in their coach. They'll buy a second set. So when they go to change and change out their filters, all they have to do is pull them down, change out their filter, take the old filters, throw them in the sink, let them dry. Once they're dry, they'll put them in a bag. They're ready to go for the next time. We have a couple different versions of it. Most of our coaches have the round plastic ring like this, which you just reach up and pull down. Some have the newer slotted one like this. Same thing, a little tougher to get it down, but you can still pop and get that shot down. We have some that have a nut right in the center. What you'll do is loosen that nut. You can pull it down and you're still doing the exact same thing, just looks a little bit differently.
All right, this wraps up another episode of Tiffin Tips. We hope you'll join us next time. We look forward to continuing this journey with you.